Do you know you could easily edit any kind of screenshot with your phone or laptop? Like, I mean, any kind of screenshot with just your phone or laptop for free. Hold on. In this AI generation, it is very wrong for you to believe anything you see online. Yes, so whenever someone shares a screenshot with you to entice you to do something, think about it twice before you react to it. Yes, so now how to edit any kind of screenshot with your phone or laptop? Now the only thing you need to do is to come over to this site, uiz.io, and
come to the site. The only thing you need to do is to come over here and sign up for a free account. That's to register. And once you register, the interface is going to be opening. So the only thing you need to do here is to come to start from screenshots and click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to be taking you over to a place like this. What you're going to be doing is to click on this, and it's going to be opening to your folder where you can select any picture or any screenshot you want. So from here, I'm just going to be choosing these screenshots, and this is what I want to open, and will open, and you can see that it's uploading. So in this uploading process, when it's done uploading, you just press the import button. So from here, it will automatically make these screenshots editable. You can see I can actually change my name, and I can actually change my name. If I want to change this image, I could actually change this image and replace it with anything I want. So this is still it. This is another kind of screenshot, so you could actually still edit anything you want to. You could actually still edit anything you want to. So this is how to edit any kind of screenshot. Yeah, you can edit any kind of screenshot. You can see this tool is actually helpful and can do a lot of things for you.